You just arrived in a new city. It's exciting. Everything looks different. New people, new bells, new things. You take a deep breath and think, this is going to be great. You walk around, explore the streets, maybe grab a coffee. But after a while, you realize something. You're lost. Your map isn't loading, your phone's battery is dying, and you don't know which way to go. You look around and spot someone who might help. But now, the real question is, what do I say? How do I ask for directions in English without panicking? Asking for directions is one of the most practical and real uses of English. You're not in a classroom. You're not reading a textbook. This is real life, real people, real need. So today, I'll walk you through exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to feel more confident when asking for directions in English. Let's get started. Don't jump straight into the question. In English-speaking countries, it's polite to start with a short greeting or a soft intro. Try. Excuse me. Hi there. Can I ask you something? Sorry to bother you. Hi, I'm a little lost. These small phrases set the tone. They show you're friendly, and people are more likely to help. Now, for the actual question. Keep it short, simple, and clear. Here are the most natural ways to ask for directions. Can you tell me how to get to place? Do you know where place is? I'm looking for place. Can you help me? Is place near here? What's the best way to get to place from here? Let's say you're looking for the nearest subway station. You could say, excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the subway? Hi, I'm trying to find the subway. Is it close? You don't need fancy words. Just be clear and polite. When someone gives you directions, they may speak quickly or use unfamiliar words. Here are common phrases to listen for. Go straight. Keep walking in the same direction. Turn left, right. At the next corner or street, it's on your left, right. The place is beside you. At the traffic light, use street signs as guides. Across from, opposite side of the street. Next to, right beside something. Behind. Hidden behind another building. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the gas station. It'll be on your right, next to the bank. If that sounds too fast, it's okay to ask them to slow down. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. If the person speaks too quickly or you miss something, just say, sorry, could you say that again? I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it? Could you speak a little slower, please? I'm still learning English. Thank you for your patience. And if you're unsure, you can check your understanding. So I go straight, then left at the gas station? Did you say it's next to the bank? This shows you're listening and helps avoid confusion. It helps to know the names of common places when asking or understanding directions. Bank, hotel, museum, park, subway, metro, underground bus stop intersection, traffic light, crosswalk corner, block at street, avenue bridge, a tunnel, a square. And helpful adjectives, near, close across, from next to behind, at the corner. Knowing just these gives you a big advantage. If you need to ask about buses or trains, try these. Which bus goes to place? Where is the nearest subway station? Does this train stop at place? How many stops until place? And if you're unsure, you can ask, is this the right direction? Do I need to transfer? Where should I get off? Let's see a short real-life dialogue. Hi, sorry to bother you. I'm looking for Central Park. Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It'll be on your left across from the big library. Got it. 2 blocks, then right, across from the library. Thank you so much. No problem. Good luck. This is natural, friendly, and simple. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about grammar. Focus on key words. Use your hands if needed. Point, gesture. Use a map or phone to help show. Always thank the person. Thanks a lot. Or, I really appreciate it. And if they don't know, sorry, I'm not sure, is a common polite reply. Just ask someone else. Getting lost in a new city isn't fun, but it's also not the end of the world. With a few simple phrases and a bit of courage, you can ask for directions and get exactly where you need to go. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need big words. You just need to speak. So practice these. Hi, can you help me? I'm looking for, how do I get to? Could you repeat that? Thank you so much. Next time you're in a new city, try it for real. Ask someone for directions, not just to find your way, but to build your English confidence step by step. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.